Welcome to this calming post-workout meditation. Today, we'll embark on a soothing journey through a body scan, helping you relax and rejuvenate after your physical exercises. Find a comfortable position, either lying down or seated, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow any lingering tension to begin melting away. Let's start by bringing our attention to the breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales, feeling the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. With each breath, you are inviting more relaxation into your body. Now, shift your focus to your feet. Feel the sensations in your toes, the arches of your feet, and your heels. Imagine a warm, gentle light enveloping your feet, soothing any soreness or fatigue. Visualize this light as a soft, golden glow, spreading warmth and comfort through every part of your feet. Move this awareness slowly up to your ankles, feeling the lightness and ease. Let this warmth continue to travel up to your calves, relaxing the muscles that have worked hard during your exercise. Picture the golden light swirling gently around your calves, easing any tightness and bringing a deep sense of relaxation. As you breathe deeply, bring your attention to your knees. Imagine any stiffness or discomfort dissolving away. Feel your knees becoming more flexible and at ease. Visualize the soothing light spreading through your knees, bathing them in warmth and comfort. Now, focus on your thighs. These strong muscles have supported you through your workout. Allow them to release and unwind, feeling a wave of relaxation flowing through them. Imagine the golden light expanding to cover your thighs, releasing any remaining tension and filling them with a sense of peace. Bring your awareness to your hips. Notice any tightness and let it go with each breath out. Imagine your hips becoming soft and relaxed. Visualize the warm light wrapping around your hips, dissolving any discomfort and bringing a profound sense of relaxation. Shift your focus to your lower back, an area that often holds tension. Breathe into this space and feel the muscles loosening, the spine gently elongating. Imagine the golden light spreading through your lower back, releasing any knots of tension and bringing a soothing calm. Now, move your awareness up to your upper back and shoulders. These areas may carry a lot of tension from your workout. Visualize a warm, soothing light spreading across your back and shoulders, easing every muscle and bringing a deep sense of relief. Picture the golden light melting away any tightness, leaving your upper back and shoulders completely relaxed. Bring your attention to your arms and hands. Feel the relaxation flow down from your shoulders to your fingertips. Allow any tension to melt away, leaving your arms feeling light and relaxed. Visualize the warm light traveling through your arms, soothing and calming every muscle and joint. Next, focus on your neck and throat. Breathe deeply and let go of any tightness or stress. Imagine your neck becoming more relaxed with every breath. Picture the golden light wrapping gently around your neck and throat, dissolving any tension and bringing a deep sense of ease. Now bring your awareness to your face. Notice if you are holding any tension in your jaw, cheeks, or forehead. Allow these areas to soften and relax. Feel your entire face becoming smooth and at ease. Visualize the warm light spreading across your face, relaxing every muscle and bringing a gentle smile to your lips. Finally, bring your focus to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, calming energy spreading from the crown of your head, down through your entire body, enveloping you in a cocoon of relaxation. Picture this energy as a soft golden light, filling your entire being with a sense of peace and calm. Stay in this state of deep relaxation for a few moments, enjoying the sense of calm and peace. Allow yourself to fully embrace this feeling, knowing that you deserve this time for rest and recovery. Now, shift your focus to a sensation of lightness in your body. Imagine that with each breath, your body feels lighter and more buoyant. Picture the golden light now transforming into a vibrant, energizing light, filling every cell in your body with renewed energy and vitality. Feel this lightness spreading from your feet, up through your legs, into your hips and lower back, all the way up through your spine, chest, and shoulders. Let it continue down your arms and into your hands, then up through your neck and head. Visualize this vibrant light filling your entire body, making you feel light, energized, and completely refreshed. Feel this energy invigorating every muscle, every bone, and every cell in your body. Stay with this feeling for a few more moments, basking in the lightness and energy that now fills you. Know that you can carry this sense of vitality and rejuvenation with you as you go about your day. When you feel ready, begin to gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and take a few deep breaths. Remember, this feeling of relaxation and energy is always within reach. You can return to this state of calm and vitality whenever you need it. Thank you for joining me in this post-workout meditation.